Hey there, smart drivers. Welcome to Drive Smart Insight, your go-to channel for all things about car care, maintenance tips, and driving skills that save you money, keep your car running smoothly, and help you get the most out of your ride. Whether you're just starting out behind the wheel or you've been driving for years, we're here to make driving and owning a car easier, smarter, and completely stress-free. Now, let's talk about something we've all experienced. You're driving along, and suddenly, a mysterious icon lights up on your dashboard. Your heart skips a beat. Is it serious? Should you pull over? Or is it just a friendly reminder? Well, worry no more. In today's video, we're decoding your car's dashboard icons, what they really mean, and what you should do when they show up. So, buckle up, and let's dive in. Your car's dashboard is like its communication center. It's constantly sending you messages about your car's health and performance. But let's face it, some of these symbols can look like hieroglyphics if you don't know what they mean. So, let's break them down into 3 categories: warning lights, indicator lights, and information lights. First up, warning lights. These are the ones you need to pay attention to immediately. They're usually red or orange, and they're your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right. Let's start with the check engine light. This little symbol can be triggered by anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. If it's flashing, pull over and get help as soon as possible. If it's steady, you should still get it checked out soon. Next, the oil pressure warning light. This looks like an old-fashioned oil can. If this lights up, it means your engine oil pressure is low, which can cause serious damage. Pull over, turn off the engine, and check your oil level. Then there's the battery warning light. It looks like a little battery. If this comes on, your charging system isn't working properly. It could mean a dying battery or a faulty alternator. Don't ignore it. Your car will stall. And finally, the brake system warning light. This looks like an exclamation mark inside a circle. If this lights up, it could mean your brake fluid is low, or there's an issue with your braking system. Safety first. Get it checked immediately. Now, let's move on to indicator lights. These are usually yellow or orange, and they are more about reminders or less urgent issues. For example, the Tire Pressure Monitoring System light, TPMS. It looks like a flat tire with an exclamation mark. This means one or more of your tires are underinflated. Check your tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended level. Then there is the ABS light. This stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. If it's on, your ABS might not be working, but your regular brakes should still function. Still, get it checked out to stay safe. And don't forget the traction control light. It looks like a car with squiggly lines underneath. This means your car's traction control system is active, usually because of slippery roads. It's not a problem, just a reminder to drive carefully. Finally, we have information lights. These are usually blue or green, and they are just giving you updates about your car's systems. For example, the high beam indicator. It looks like a headlight with lines coming out of it. This just means your high beams are on. Great for dark roads, but don't forget to switch them off when other cars are around. Then there's the cruise control light. It looks like a speedometer with an arrow. This simply means your cruise control is active and handy for long drives. And let's not forget the fuel indicator. It's pretty straightforward. When it lights up, it's time to fill up your tank. So, there you have it, your car's dashboard decoded. Knowing what these icons mean can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Remember, your car is talking to you. All you have to do is listen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our smart driving tips and car care hacks. If you notice any strange symbol lighting up on your dashboard and you're unsure of what to do next, drop a comment below. We're here to help you figure it out. Thanks for watching. And remember, drive smart, stay safe, and keep your ride running smoothly. See you in the next video.